No. We have this new house, and this is our grandpa. It's a normal home. What am I going to get out? Oh ma, I can climb. And grandma's not dead. Ha! She woke up once and she tried to kill me. She literally woke up quickly. Grandpa, what's wrong? Did you just eat protein? I swear this time I will laugh. Yeah, stop. I'm talking back. Oh, please help me, robot. Oh my god, this was in the wrong way. Hey, let me take this thing. Oh no! Oh! Grandpa, you're so fast. Did you just ate protein? I will back to you. Okay. Oh my! Oh my! Oh! Yeah, shut up, Grandpa. Are they calling me or something? Oh my god, stop! Oh, I'm falling! Oh gosh, it's falling! Oh! What is... I can actually use it. But... how does this even work? It's not working. Okay, 2 minutes. She woke up. Oh, hey, Grandpa! I'm gonna make you really angry today. That's not it, Grandpa. Wait. Okay. Oh, what's the thing? Maybe I should climb up it. Just let Grandpa leave me. Oh, let me. Oh man! Shit! She's not being evicted. Get the hell away! Get the hell away! Oh! How does that not get evicted? It's so disgusting. What's that? Let me do that. Never mind. Yeah, let's go climb up and see what this is. I'm just standing there, nothing's happening. Oh my goodness! Okay. Okay. No. Can I hold these? No, they're broken. She's clearly gonna kill me, Grandpa. Why's she laughing? Ah! Ah! Still sleeping, bitch! She's probably gonna try killing me. Grandma! Why not attack me? She's tired. She started trying to kill me and gave up. I'm gonna stay like here. Oh, what is this? Grandpa is so bad. Ew, Grandpa's so bad. Grandpa is so bad at trying to beat me. Now let me climb up there. I think it's photo. Okay. Hey, that doesn't look like her. Come here, Grandma, come here. I got your presents. Beautiful. Let me take her, Grandpa. Let me take Grandpa. And let's try playing this game. Okay, now let's try to ask Grandpa as fast as he can. Score. Grandpa is so bad. You're not even letting me win. I'm your own cat. Why are you trying to like it's a little abusive. Oh. Oh, they look tasty! Yeah, let's do it. Let's get all of them through it. I'm wasting Grandma's items. What is this? How does it work? Get the hell away. She literally got happy about me. She literally got tired of me. Like, Hi, Grandpa. I nearly got hurt by her. Ow. Oh no! Okay, hopefully that goes to my feet. Let me go. Wait. Hey, come on, and got me. Your own cat's trying to sleep. Oh, what is this? Oh, this looks cute. And this little Grandpa's trying to abuse me and leave me. Haha. Okay, where's the like Let me go up. What's up? How do I get? She's going to inspire me. Can she just not go up? I'm gonna keep throwing things. I'm gonna pretend like sad, so Grandpa won't abuse me. Oh, Grandpa won't abuse me again. Am I right? Oh no. Okay, where's Grandpa? Ah, what is that thing? I need that, but I don't want to. It literally. Grandpa. Okay. Oh my God, Grandpa! Oh, I fell downstairs. Grandpa? You gotta look at me! I got downstairs! Okay, bye guys. I got tired.